We'll guide you through how to change text color in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape and load your project or create a new one. Once you're in, go to the text tool on the left sidebar, which looks like a big A, click on it, and then click on your canvas to start typing your text. After you've typed your text, make sure it's selected. You can do this by clicking on the select tool, which is the arrow icon at the top of the left toolbar, and clicking on the text you just typed. With your text selected, look towards the bottom of the Inkscape window. You'll see a color palette there. Simply click on the color you want your text to be, and it will change instantly. If you want more precision, head over to the fill and stroke panel. You can access this by clicking object in the top menu and then selecting fill and stroke from the dropdown. In the fill tab, you'll see options to choose a flat color, linear gradient, or radial gradient. Click on the flat color box to choose a specific color from the color wheel, or input exact color codes if you prefer. This is great for matching exact brand colors or creating a consistent color theme in your project. If you're working with gradients, you can adjust the gradient stops directly on your text object for a smooth transition. Also, remember that you can adjust the opacity of your text color in the same panel if you want your text to be more transparent. This can be useful for layering text over images. Once you're happy with your color selection, you can go ahead and save your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.